Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish breiani. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of your favorite fish, about 2 cups of basmati rice, and common spices like turmeric and garam masala. Don't forget fresh onions, ginger, garlic, and a few tomatoes. This easy guide ensures a delicious meal with minimal fuss. Now let's prepare our core ingredients. Start by draining your canned fish and gently flaking it into smaller pieces, discarding any large bones. Next, wash 2 cups of basmati rice until the water runs clear, then soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. Finally, finely chop 2 medium onions and 2 ripe tomatoes, setting them aside for later. Building the flavor is key for a great breiani. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onions in about 3 tablespoons of oil until they are beautifully golden brown. Then, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and your chosen spices, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Now, begin layering the spiced fish, partially cooked rice, and fresh herbs like coriander. For the final step, cook your layered breyani on a very low heat for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the rice to steam perfectly and all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Once cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes before gently fluffing. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve your easy tin fish breiani hot, perhaps with a side of cooling raita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.